nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we will cook spicy enoki mushroom. This will only take few minutes to prepare and cook. Let's begin. Here are the ingredients that we need. Add oil to frying pan, then put the garlic. Add the enoki mushroom. Put half a tablespoon of cocoa aminos and half tablespoon of hot pepper paste and sesame oil. Then add the red chili followed by some pepper. Let the hot pepper paste melt and place the sauce on top of the mushrooms. Mix it a little bit. Add the sugar. Cook it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, garnish it with some spring onions and it's now ready to be served. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.